Hey guys, it's 1:30 a.m. and this vlog is really cringy, and so if you don't think you can handle it, then I wouldn't watch it, but
just kidding, you need to watch it because
we need
a lot of Jesus in it, so okay, no.
Hey guys,
hanging with the girls.
Chick-fil-A and Bohemian Rhapsody. I haven't made a vlog in a fat minute, but I'm really annoyed.
Wait, what are your car seat years?
Oh yeah. Okay. Gingeritis?
Gingeritis.
I don't wanna die, but sometimes wish I never been born at all. Carry on. Why is this loud? Oh my god, that's scary. Wish I never been born at all. What am I gonna be? What the hell? I think you're breaking a law.
Believe that. I didn't.
Okay, what do I do though? Like honestly,
Get
can I
out the
fit?
way!
Can I fit in this?
I'm gonna be honest. Little oh look at your two dogs. I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, when we do the fandango. Through on the lightning, very, very frightening me. This is my favorite part! Ready? Okay, so this is gonna be a vlog of us driving,
All about us,
singing,
all about us.
Chick-fil-A,
Do all about
all
us.
about us.
This one
Do you
goes
remember
out
our
to the
song?
one. Yes!
I'll spin you around, won't let you fall down. Would you let me lead? You can step on my feet. Give it a try. It'll be alright. The room's hush hush, and now is our moment. Take it in, feel it all, and hold it. Eyes on you, eyes on me. We're doing this right. 'Cause lovers dancing, they're feeling in love. The spotlight shining, it's all about us. It's all about us. Do you hear that love? Do you hear that love? Do you hear that love? They're playing our song. Do you think we're ready? Hello, I'm really feeling it. Do you hear that love? Do you hear that love? Hey guys, so Kate Schultz here, Maddie Jones here. I leave their Instagrams below.
I have chronic disorder.
So today we were only gonna whisper. We were only gonna whisper. Doing the whisper challenge for 24 hours. I think I'm gonna throw up.
Don't throw up in my phone.
I just got like a booger in my throat or something. We're gonna dance and sing and stuff, and we're gonna go get our other friends that are the male species, and we're gonna get Chick-fil-A because that's my favorite. Yes. Okay. God, shoot!
I'm a Papa trying to be bad.
Girl, just go to shoes. She forgot her shoes. Who the does that? Her bloody shoes. She forgot her bloody shoes. Not bad. Ready? Who in the hell forgets her bloody shoes when she's driving around the town? Make shoes. Oh! What are you doing? Oh my god. Or at least like pulled out by the dirt. It's okay. A little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, mama, oh she's hot for the psycho.
Said man, you're 22, what you trying to prove? Hey, why don't you wait? Cause I've been waiting on her since the second grade.
Grandkid from Uganda, that's right, we're adopting, and she is the cutest little girl that you ever seen. Have you seen her? No. Okay, so we're back talking. I don't know what to talk about except for I really suck at YouTube, and I just do it because I'm thriving and I want to do it because why not? And like I love to watch YouTube and vlogs, and like I'm just like staring at these kids right now.
Too. What kids?
One of them are gonna beat me up. They always, every time I look at people, they
bet
beat
they
me
get
up.
annoyed.
I think that's mom though. There's a mom. We're chill. But oh my god, I'm sick. I'm a little bit sick. And I have a Wi-Fi forehead. Like I do.
It's just on me.
I have to do some bleeping because my crotch might be short.
I was wrong. Let's just keep living. Listen to what we just did, okay? So we were driving down the we were driving down Hooper Road, and oh yeah, I have a good idea, by the way. Cute boy! My pig! He's working!
They're cute. Get out of my car. Go get me.
Cute boy, go get him.
You want
Go
his
get
number?
him.
Yeah, go get him.
Wait, yeah. Never mind. We figured out he wasn't that cute. So
I want to say hi to him. You can still
you
give
can
him
go say
my
hi to
number.
him. Yeah, you can still give him a number, but like,
I'm gonna say.
not gonna sneeze again. Okay, so anyway, so we're driving down Hooper Road, and like usually you don't see these things in the middle of the day, but like
He waved to me and he smiled. I saw that.
And guess what
Oh,
ran in
like
front
this.
of us? Guess what ran
Guess
in front? Guess what?
Guess what it was?
A cat! It was a cat.
I'm pretty sure
It was a
deer.
deer. I think it was a skunk.
Wait, was it a bear?
No, but like being dead ass. Wait, was it a bear? I mean, you're alive.
It actually was a deer.
No. It was either a skunk or a cow. It was a skunk.
My hair?
Was it a cat? I thought it was a skunk.
It was
It was white and black.
It was this big giant chupacabra.
Anyway, so Kate had to go around it because it wouldn't move, and it was a
And we
skunk.
almost got into a head-on collision.
So she wasn't looking; she was looking at the road, and now the car's coming this way because it's a two-lane road, and so it's just like, and all of a sudden we're going down this road,
We're about to
and
crash.
she like, yes, not technically, but technically. So this person's just chilling; they're not slowing down, and then they get really close to us, and then they stop really fast, and they're just like, "F you, teenage girls!" Sorry, I'm gonna have to censor that.
I have a song. Okay.
But that's all that happened,
Is it this
and
one?
it's Addicted to My Ex, and now
I'm addicted to my ex.
and so
I think
I'm-
everyone is. We're gonna.
I'm addicted to him.
I flex on my ex every time that she texts me. I'm like, hold up.
Yeah, I'm down with the shit, but she saying that shit in my dick, bitch, shut up. Yeah, I'm taking my new bitch to places I took her, she cannot afford. Then I post on Instagram stuff that she trying to ignore. You mad or not? Yeah.
Seen her pretending I'm picking her up, but I roll up like she blowing my phone and won't leave me alone. So
Bitch, fuck.
one word. So what? We get drunk. So what? We smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what? We go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Let's be young and wild and free. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. What's fun about commitment when we have all life to live?
I like that part.
Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give.
You guys forgot to fucking chicken.
Okay.
Hey, do you vlog? Yeah. Do you guys want to be in it?
Yes. Are you vlogging too?
No way.
Oh my gosh. We can. We can vlog.
Oh my gosh! My hands are really crusty. Elbow. Thanks for making conversation because I'm socially awkward.
Yeah, that was good.
I said, hey, do you vlog?
I wanna dance with somebody.
Should I ask all these kids right here to say hi to my vlog?
Yeah. Let me do it. Can I record? I'm taking over.
Hey, do you guys want to be in my vlog? No.
So we're just gonna.
I need one of you to pretend to fall on the ice right here so I can put in my vlog. Hey, wait, okay, because like it says caution. Wait. Hey guys, come on, let's go to the car. That got me. I'm talking. I got bad lungs.
Can I see the?
You want me to kill myself?
You don't even miss me at all. Those are our boys. Hey.
Yeah, and then there's Billy back there. So that was really cute.
Hey, don't get hurt before your game. Oh my god! Oh,
Slide to me.
Can I just go like
What if I just slipped right underneath her car?
Canyon?
Like, what if I just like quick? Oh! Hey, turn it up! Turn it up! Mrs. Millie, so what we get drunk, so what we smoke weed, we're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go. This is cold and it's
You should have littered it again.
Come here.
It's okay.
Push. Video me right now. Ready? Oh shoot. I don't swear. Don't swear.
Then they'd be clucking with you.
Yeah, clucking little stupid ass.
I don't give a fudge. I don't give a fudge. I don't give a fudge. Fudge about you or anything that you do. Don't give a fudge about you or anything that you do. I heard you got a new man. I see you taking a pic. Then you post it up, thinking that it's making me sick. I see Eric, quick. I'm gonna answer that. Shiz, like I don't frick with you. I mean, for real. F how you feel.
Are you ready for this?
That is the end of this week's vlog. Subscribe.